Chur Whanau. How is everyone doing? Chur Whanau, hope you're doing well. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Soothing intro. Cheer, bro. How's everyone doing? Hey, keep up the good work, man. Thank you, Naaman Sniper. Bro, we just started, brother, but much appreciated for the bits as well, bro. You didn't have to. But thank you, brother. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a Sunday carve. Just check over these. I'm great now. How are you? Sports gamer? Yeah, I'm pretty good, bro. Yeah. Getting ready for UFC. Oh, gee, yeah, hopefully Izzy does well. Oh, all the NZ fighters. ZD Alien, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to, so we'll have a bit of a talk before we get started, if you don't mind. Hey, New Margin. Cheer, brother. It's Saturday here in Los Angeles. I'm not here, mate. Nah, cheer, brother. Hope you're well. Ink, SMH, shake my head. Thank you very much for the bits, bro. You can just comment without, but it's all good, brother. Lovely day for carving. Yeah, bro. It's about to turn sideways soon. There's a big storm cloud coming in, but doesn't really stop me. Kia ora to Tiki. Tiki. Hey bro, hope you're doing well, man. Kia ora. Kia ora. Revo. Cheer, brother. Cheer, Jiggy. Cheer, my bro. Okay, I'll put these down, eh? Take these away there. How's your pieces coming along, brother? Sorry I haven't been in the Izanux Discord lately. Oh, Babratos TV, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. Much appreciated, my bro. Yeah, man, it's daylight savings. Joe Rich, Dr. Rip, thank you very much for the sub as well, my bro. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Salbrew, thank you very much for the bits as well. Cheer, brother Otter, how are you, my bro? Hope it's not too late over there. Kia ora, sturdy butter. Our jams are charging at the moment, so it's going to be wind for our music. Sure, the Yasuo mains will be pleased. Navi Land, thank you very much for the sub too, my bro, much appreciated. You didn't have to though, brother, but I will thank you nonetheless. Pyro Pit and Farmer William getting rid of these bits before they expire. Oh, thanks, brother. Damn, I didn't know they could expire. Just try not to burn out. Waiting for the bros. Oh, damn. To be on for another drawing Discord. Yeah, Jiggy, I'm keen. I usually hover over the bros Discord to see if anyone's in there. Oh, fuzzy man thing. 5 subs off the, as C's would say, off the bird chest. Thank you, brother. Holy cow. You play Pokemon Go? Yeah, I just recently got back into it, brother. And Jacob in Booth. What's up, guys? Thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Much appreciated. And Torno Sek, thank you for subbing too. But back to Fuzzy Man thing. Very interesting name, my bro. But pretty catchy. Thank you very much for the gifted subs, my bro. You didn't have to, but you did anyway. And I say it again, you didn't have to. But thank you very much, brother. And Tārere Tūkaki, thank you very much for the sub too, bro. Gotta catch him off, but you didn't have to. Do not give me a sub. Oh, I see what you're trying to do there. But really, hey. So how's everyone been? I believe it's still Saturday for some. I just got back into it as well. Been doing a lot of raids. Oh, I haven't even been done much, eh? Chur JT. We're all lucky today. Yeah, I was working on a koruru last night on the iPad too. Hey, morning Fanta. I was going to ask if you're going live today, because then we'll take everyone over to you later. Hey, ZD Alien. Holy cow, that's a lot of bits. 805? Well, I actually don't know how much you sent, but thank you, man. You didn't have to. Being good. It's daylight savings today, and they're gonna be a bit longer. Yeah, so I forgot about daylight savings and woke up, and it was 10 o'clock, thinking it was like 9. Kind of forgot about it, eh? But it's all good. I woke up. Mrs. Broxh just said, "Oh well, you may as well go outside and have a stream." I said, "Oh, I think I will." Hold on, whānau. Hello to Off Bed Block. Didn't stay up too late, Otter. It's all good. Picking up a craft, leather craft. Chuma, is that you? After having a few drinks with Tony last night. Yeah, I was watching for a little bit and then I had to jump off. I was getting like tired. Seemed like he was having a good time though. Sediba, hope you're well, my dude. Always good to be here with you and everyone. Yeah, thank you very much, Sturdy brother. Thank you, brother. Damn. And Loza Moza. Holy cow. Hitting us with those Doge ones. Thank you, brothers. Once again, just remember, you don't have to. Thank you very much. You know I'll say thank you all the time, because it's rude not to. Yeah, no, it's pretty cold. Oh, Meta, or Mata. Thank you very much, brother. For the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. And hello, Robin. Chur, cuz, what you been up to? Chur Kodu. Nah, not much, eh? Just trying to stay out of the rain, really. That's about it. Had a movie night with the family. Yeah, just kicking back, really. Nothing too amazing. So Doza first, thank you for the subbing as well, brother. And Flamore, thank you guys. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Can we add you on Pokemon Go? Yeah, I'll post up my code again soon. I just did it the first time and then yeah, everyone added me. Kia ora everyone not watching the fights today, bro. Cheer uncle. Nah, not today, brother. We got no sky or anything, so I'll just wait for the result. And I don't do those random sites. Hopefully Izzy does me. Always gonna support Izzy because he went to the same school. But his mod just ignores me. What do you mean? rivers there. What are you on about? Our saints and sinners are quite the same. This is my temple, the whole weather. The Icarus, thank you very much for subbing as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though, my bro, but thank you. Can't catch everything, bro. What's he asking for, bro? Yeah, Barbo, amazing work. Thank you, brother. It's alright, but much appreciated, my bro. Okay. I'm gonna find it, just try and bang this out. I see Atu, I had a bit of a sleeping stream last night too. Level 5. What's that for? Like lockdown? Beautiful details, Broxh. I don't know, brother. I don't know about that one, brother. Yeah. Big critic of my my own work, eh? I mean, I don't know any artist that's not. For me, brother. Anything I do, I just say, meh, could be better. Moving on. This is my temple. If you want, let's do it. Oh, good. Hold on, fun it. I am. Good evening from. Oh, you've been gifted a sub. Oh, this is new. Oh, look at these guys falling for it. Come on, guys. If I don't say anything about that, then don't even bother deleting them, bro. It's all good. Want to be Aaron. Appreciate what you're doing. Stay different. Thank you, Wannabe, for the bits as well. Come on, guys. If it's no one with a spanner next to their name, it's probably going to be a troll. The satisfaction they get out of it, I have absolutely no bloody idea. Killbane, Chur, bro, thanks for sharing your talent. Hey, Chur, for the 2 months, my brother. You didn't have to, my bro, but much appreciated. Yeah, don't fall for that shit, whānau. Yeah, I don't know what the kick is that they get out of it. Probably just some little kids that play Fortnite or something. I don't know. Andy McFieldy gifted a sub. Oh, thank you. You didn't have to do that, but much appreciated. What are they doing? Who's they? Oh, Andy McFieldy again. Nothing wrong with Fortnite. I don't play Fortnite anymore. Have you ever heard of the Shaper Origin? Nah, bro. Do you play FPS games? Nah. Tried Valorant when it came out, but then I was like, meh. Got bored of it after a while. I want to get into Smash too. Holy cow. So Snack Daddy. Thank you, Snack Daddy, for the gifted, brother. You didn't have to do that. But much appreciated, my bro. PS5 or Xbox Series? I've been playing PlayStation since I was a kid, so yeah. PlayStation, brother. I've seen that new Xbox, and it looks like it's got like this big ass speaker on the side of it. From what I've seen. Stelladine, thank you for subbing as well, brother. Much appreciated. Didn't have to, brother, but much appreciated, my dude. Hey, Baba. Fluxer as well with the bits. Thank you, brother. Okay. Just trying to clean these up, Fane. When are you gonna play Pokemon Go? I'll just open it now and again, bro. Yeah, see what's around. Hopefully something good though. Hey, Chur brother D. Just looking over this bloody thing now. Here I am. Here I am. Use me. Hey, Chur bro. Yeah, it's looking all good, eh? How are you? And pull me to calm, hariki kwa. Not allowed to be in the camera, brother. Too much silly buggers out there. How you going, bro? All good, D. Yeah, just kicking back and carving here and there. Pretty much finished with WoW till pre-patch, so been playing a bit of the beta, but yeah, other than that, bro, no, not much, my bro. Been playing Ghosts of Tsushima again. You be watching the Adesanya fight later? Probably not, Rota. Got no way of watching it. Where Tainui cannot ask what tribal family you're part of. Tuhoe Te Arawa, Demonic Bullet. Thank you for the bits too. Didn't have to, yeah, but just said mahi. Oh, gee. I'm at hospital with COVID-19. Oh, damn, that's no good, brother. Look after yourself, eh? Okay. My soldiers on the street, yeah. I'm not really feeling this thing. Norton, much love from Oz, best streamer on Twitch. Hey, chew, brother Norton. Thank you, brother. Best streamer. I don't think so, my bro, but much appreciated. Yeah, no, not feeling this. Just gonna scrape their part off. My soldiers on the street, yeah. It's so windy in the Hawke's Bay. Yeah, same here. In the Bay of Plenty. All I am is this gift you gave to help me see. What do you do if you accidentally screw up? Oh, you just carry on, brother. Don't make mistakes, you just make adjustments. The best stream? It's all good, eh? Thing I'm just happy about is that you guys like watching it. That'll be the W for me. Or the dub, as some people would say. Show your face, bro. Hey, Chur Whanau. Fu got the new badge too. Quad Papa, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but thank you. When he said show your face, that was the first thing that came to mind, eh? Just boom! Got him! Finally have the time to watch a bit of the stream. Hey, Chur brother. Go to guy. Chur bro for the sub. And just the best and cream float. Thank you guys for hello. Love your streams. Oh, thanks brothers. Much appreciated. You still didn't have to though, but thank you very much. For the subs. All I have is this gift you gave to help me save. Holy crap. I like the stream. So epic. Oh, thank you, wanna be AA Ron? Cheers, brother. Sorry, brother, I just like saying Aaron like that. Thank you for the bits, my bro, and along with Mr. Sawyers? Much appreciated, bro. Just don't forget to use your money on yourselves. I love the way Jacinda said, from now on, yeah, no mistakes, just adjustments. Love, she really loved that line. Yeah, she's cool. People can talk shit about her all they want to, but when you meet her and just have a normal conversation with her, she's cool as. I know that's something the tinfoil hat can't accept, but yeah. It's Miss Sunshine. Hey. Sunshine daisies, buttermelon, turn the stupid fat rat yellow. Thank you for the sub. It's Miss Sunshine. Just reminded me of that part on Harry Potter. Baby, go inside. Hold on for a minute. See you after, and then we can watch more Disney movies. Hey brother, hope you're doing good. Oh, that carving is coming out nice. Thank you, young Pablo. Yeah, I just cut out this part on the other side. I wasn't really feeling it. I'll be listening tonight and not in chat so much. Oh, it's all good. I'm playing GTA with my little brother while listening. Oh, true, brother. All good. Have fun. Yo, 3 hop. Much appreciated for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to, but much appreciated. How long does it take to finish a piece? So time limit all depends really on how much you put into it. There's no secret formula. Just if you want to finish it fast, you carry on. You just smash it. Oh no. $2. Oh, you gotta use that $2 to get you a pie, good sir. Rusty Walrus. Oh, let's go. All I have is this gift you gave to help me save. If you made your own console, what would it be called? Oh, what would it be called? I actually have no idea. Never really thought about making my own console, eh? Yeah, probably not, brother. I love your work, it's very beautiful. Thanks, brother. Yeah, it's all good, eh? Is that the same side you bought down last time? No, it's the other side. Oh, I actually can't remember. I think so. Oh, someone's jamming some reggae. Would be nice to play on stream. And I see that the sun is out and all of that. Sorry. Oh, you don't need to be sorry for asking what the time is, brother. It's 2:10 in the afternoon. Can you get a pie for $2 in Kiwiland? Yeah, easy. I'm moving over. Yeah, I got an email from, I think I got an email from what Mrs. Broxh is saying. Someone offering to carve me a phone holder. I've got to reply back to them and just say, no, that's alright, but thank you. Or for free if you steal it. Nah, only silly people steal a $2 pie. I don't really get into stealing. That's just me. Love your mahi bar. Cheer honky tonk, hey hey. Chicken. Cheer brother. Slipkin. Thanks for the sub as well. You didn't have to. Oh, and one. Poop soup. Man, these are some crack up names. Thank you guys. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Wala na fica, me don't die. So it got the African giant. Still the way he is, honey. just one, brother. One. One's enough. Give me a more logo. No, no. You looked at the bed, make it no, no. I'm bringing the logo. No, no. Kia ora, CL9. Where are you from? Aotearoa, brother. How are you in the bro today, Maya? Oh, you'll be on school holiday mode now, eh? Where are you from? Aotearoa. Whee, look at that new sub badge. That's pretty cool. You did show your face, bro. Yeah, I showed it back at the start of the stream. Usually show it towards the end as well. Nothing new, brother. Yeah, bro, school holidays. Yeah, our baby doesn't get school holidays because of kindy. Cheers, Snarfart. Cheers, brother. You're my whole world. You're my holy girl. Like I tried it, but you're gonna go away. Poupou, Ko aluai te tahata Toru leira Aku mata Ko anu o te meorunga. Greetings from Hungary. Keep up the great work. Have a nice day. Yo, dude, the wrong boy. Damn, Hungary. Chur my bro. 5. I was about to say your other name. Your birth certificate name. He uri poho moa. Soon, bro. I'm just charging up the old the sound system. He kuratata he okika. Thank you, True Slaughter, for the bits, my bro. Didn't have to, but much appreciated, brother. Ko te roko. If you learn no te kupu, he aina no te wā, he ahaki. I want to hear some reggae dub. Well, you can give me some reggae rights to some music, brother, so I don't get banned for playing it. I can only play LAB. If you don't know, brother, you can't just play anything you want on stream, or you can if you want to get a strike on your account. So what happened when the Prime Minister came to see? Oh, we just talked, asked her if she wanted to have a try at carving. She dabbed. She's seen a KFC emoji, she was trying to look for it on her phone. Yeah, just talking, pretty much. Nixon, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Red Bull should give you permission to use their music. Oh, I don't mind it. What's that screeching sound? Damn. Can you see that? It sounds like someone's brake pad. Otter. Gotta watch out when Maya's on, bro. She's fast. We all try and beat her, to be honest. Get Izzy on your channel with the belt. He's a busy man. I don't want to interrupt him. He might have better things to do anyways. Just tell him Rokura hard. See if he still knows the school haka. That'll be cool. Broxh, tonight is the first stream I've been able to catch at home, relaxing, not at work for once. It feels great. Always good to be here with you. Cheers, steady brother. That's good, bro. What would you do if Judith Collins asked to come to your stream? I'll give it a fat no. I'll be like, Quinn might want you. Ask Quinn. If Judith Collins had a sister and a dog, I'd ask the dog to come on stream. That's about as political as I'll get. fixing why. Hey, 5 months, brother. Hey, much appreciated, my bro. You didn't have to, brother, but thank you. Have you ever heard of Aztec death whistle? It was a carving made by them. It would sound like a person screaming. Nah, bro, never heard of it. I've heard a goat that screams like a human, though, if that counts. Ah! That's pretty interesting. We all love dogs. Much love, brother, all across the world. Hey, thank you, my bro. Oh, we got a raid. Osha Gunsberg. Yo, thanks for the raid, brother. Maya's on it straight away. Yeah. Yo, much appreciated, bro. So welcome to you and your community, brother, your whānau. So kia ora, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And this is my big love and passion I have for this particular art form. Well, it's not just a normal art form. It actually helped our ancestors quite a lot in passing down our myths, stories and legends. Oh my god, it's so shit Gunsbury. Hello boy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to do. So much better watching this stream on my PC monitors. Hey, you must have a comfortable chair too. No, yes, subscribed as well. Much appreciated, brothers. You didn't have to. But shout out to you once again, brother. So just a little bit about this art form, carrying on. So yeah, as I said before, it was a method our ancestors used to pass down our myths, stories and legends. So we didn't have the luxury of pen and paper, so we had no written form of language. So the main 3 ways we passed everything down, so we were more of an oral culture, face to face, through song and dance. So you might know the haka, the Maori posture war dance, but this art form here for Whakairo is another method that we used. And this art form here comes from our god of the sea, Tangaroa. Like even today, if you look at the ocean, you can see it now, carving through the land. But there's a story too. You're the opposite of half the streamers. I mean, I don't know. I don't, might be the only one that comes out here when it's raining and storming and streams outside. This is so cool. I think what I get out of it is just knowing that you guys like it. There have been people that come through that go, I'm not really interested in art form, just enjoy watching it for you. And I can respect that too. Thank you for sharing that info. All good. That's why I'm here, just to share. And catch Pokemon. Which reminds me, might be time to have a look what's around here. One of your streams live. G'day from Oz. Hey, g'day brother. Much appreciated for tuning in, my bro. So if you don't know, you might hear me say a word called whānau. Now, that particular word in Maori language means family, and that's how I see everyone within my community, or everyone that watches. I don't really like that word, community. I like to say whānau. Sounds better. Okay, let's see what we got, fams. We have a rat-a-tat and a doe-duo. Here we go, here we go. Shit. Tempting upside down. On a slippery foot. Will we get it? Will we get it? No, we won't. Oh, I can't do it like that, eh? I'm a thumb catcher. Let's go! Alright, first Pokemon of the stream. Probably transfer him later. What happened? A regular Pokemon monster. Flawless lines on the carving. If gaming, I'm not gonna lie, to me they're not flawless, but much appreciated, brother. Yeah, I'm not. So to anyone that's new here, I'm my own worst critic, but this helps me improve. The power of the thumbs Pokemon improved. Fuck yeah, boy. Okay, where am I? Here. There, I can hear someone's Harley. Caught Shiny Charizard yet? Actually, I haven't. I stopped playing when Shiny Charizard... Oh, when Charmander became the community day, I just had enough of it, eh? I don't really have much shinies. I think my strongest shinies I have is Tyranitar. I think that was the last community day I did. Do you say I work online? Zodiac? I don't have a store, brother. I like to do everything like by talking. Nice try, Zandy Gods. I know what a redeem mark looks like, brother. You got a Zapdos? Yeah. I know what a channel points thing looks like, brother. Man, that's a lot of Harleys. Can you see them? Would you really want a carving that looks like it's perfectly made with a machine? Nah. Nah, not at all, brother. I'd rather have a piece that looks decent that's been hand carved than a perfect piece by a machine. Harleys, baby, yeah. It's how many channel points for your Pokemon girlfriend's number? I'll just show the stream later. Yeah, I posted it on my Twitter, but then I took it off. I was getting heaps of requests there and I couldn't keep up. How do you improve in carving craft over time? Yeah, I mean, that's just like any art, eh? The more time you put in, the better you get. Favorite Pokemon? Now, this is a hard one for me because there's a few that I like. Do I have to choose one or my top 5? Sounds like I have to choose one. One of my favourite Pokemon is Electivire. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, I'll post that up again. You ever do gaming streams? Nah, not yet, man. I don't really have the internet yet. Still got to get it installed. Well, fibre. At the moment, the dude or the company that's installing it has to do all the like wiring and stuff or whatever. Any tips for someone who would like to do some carving? Just start. Get you some cheap chisels and a piece of wood, and depending on what you want to carve, just go for it. That's what I say. What you go to at KFC? Probably just a wicked meal, brother. I like that question. As long as I got wicked wings, I'm good, eh? I was watching Solikesh stream last night, and he was at like a fried chicken place in Brisbane. Bro, it looks so good. Shout out to Solikesh, by the way. What types of wood are best for carvings? Much love from Palestine, brother. Mono, it all depends on what you want to do, really. So you'd use a soft medium timber for like sculptures and whatnot. If you want to do something like smaller intricate carvings, you might use a harder wood. My uncle was really into it as well, and I would watch him play all the time. True, bro. Yeah, once this fibre gets done, yeah, we'll jam some WoW. I'm not that good, but I want to get into arenas. I don't really play much classes, just Shaman and Warrior. Started playing Paladin for the first time, just because of Panda. Seems like Kiwis have a thing for KFC. No, we just love food. Because I've been trying the Shadowlands beta. Oh, I hear someone arguing. You know those arguments there, if you hear your neighbour arguing and you got the curtain half open. Oh, he really gonna play Pokemon Go? I've seen people asking about it. Yeah, Diviner just caught a Doduo before. Oh, the rain. I better help you. Okay. Yep, we love food, especially free food. What server do you play on? Frostmourne and Bartholus. I play Horde majority of the time, but because OCE unfortunately loves the Alliance, it's an Alliance dominated region, and just so I can play with Panda I had to jump on the Alliance side. It's probably the thing I don't like about OCE. You alright? Barford, Sea and Shadowlands, Churvin. Hopefully, brother, hopefully. Yeah, I've been playing a bit of the beta. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Because I mainly enjoy the lore and WoW. So Noble is definitely someone I tune into all the time. Rain. It's been a while since I've seen the stream, bro. True, Aza. Welcome, brother. I tried to play my Orc for BFA and Frostmourne and couldn't do shit. Yeah, they got war mode now, so you can like turn it off and people can't attack you. Spent the weekend in Raiders a couple weeks back. Hey, Richard! Went to NGO to go for a bit of a fly fish. Hey! And the stream too was super awesome. True, Navi! Fuck, I didn't even know. Damn. How long were you here for, brother? Oh, please don't tell me you DM me. Fuck. I'm hopelessly trying to read them all, eh? Hey, Chur Mahalo. How are you, brother? Fly fishing sounds pretty cool. I haven't done that type of fishing. Seems pretty hard though, when you do that string buzz that they do. You're a busy man, we'll suss something out next time I'm back. So are you living in NZ now, Navi? Fuck, Richard. All good, brother, how are you? Yeah, I'm all good too, brother. Just playing WoW here and there. And been watching a whole lot of movies this weekend. What type of wood are you carving? So this timber here, brother, is called Cody. So it's another native pine to NZ. It's more of a white pine species. Can't give you its botanical name because I only learnt the Maori once. So yeah, this is a medium to softwood, brother. But it's good for these types of projects as well. I'm hearing your voice while I get work done. Oh, true. As long as you get their work done first, eh? So this pretty buzzy old down the white's got a bit of a fudge island, eh? Oh, is UFC on? I'd imagine their fight would be later. Well, mind you, they'd be pretty fast with no crowd, eh? What do you like to do when you're not carving? Probably just chill, bro. Chill, eat. Yeah, that's about it. Sometimes I carve off stream too. Oh, most of the time. Oh, I've got to hydrate. Oh, I just had a water too. I have another water. Man, some people are so talented. Nah, I don't reckon I'm talented, brother. There you go. Good. Fuck, it's still here arguing here. But it's like 2 blocks over by the sounds of it. Can hear a faint "you cheated on me" in the wind. Looks cold there. Yeah, it's pretty cold, but it's alright. It's what I'm used to, really. I don't like summer. That's gonna be the real challenge for me. Carving in the summer. It's all good though. Yeah, man, I can still hear it too. Has he done one of those sick hair flips? Nah, not you, brother. I wonder what they did, other than cheating. You can sort of hear it. Oh, I can. I know the mic won't pick it up because it's real faint. How's Worlds been going as well? Anyone been tuning in? I got to. You just close chat, catch a Pokemon, and go back. It's as simple as that, brother. Now the sun's out. See, we got 2 seasons in one day. Oh, I feel like going to be nosy. Just hey bro, just come to check out this tree. But really, hey. How are you, mate? Boo Boots? Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Hope you's all having a good day. Much appreciated, Edit AU. I hope you're having a good day too, brother. It doesn't mean to be an egg. Just don't be a troll in the chat, brother. Just what we call eggs here. Don't bring a negative mindset here, because we all just chill. Go see and report back to us. Because I know there ain't no sports around here. Do you get commission for this, or is it more something you do while streaming? So this was just for fun, eh? This one, and then someone actually wants it. Whether or not they get back to me, I wouldn't have a clue. Yeah, other than that, I'll see you later. I'm gonna go watch the fight. Choo. So the fight must be on soon, eh? Or is it on now? You come for fun for work? This isn't even work to me, brother. I have never seen this as work. It's just what I love to do, brother. If that helps. Iron Lung, you're about 4,080 off the original price. Main card's about to start. All good. Guys, if you want to go and watch the fight, it's all good. Go hard, it's all good. I know it'll be a bit of a goodie. Just go hard, it's all good. It'll probably be still on when it's done. Snippy Llama gifted a sub. Thank you, Snippy Llama, for that. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though. Thanks for being you, bro. The one with the weed. Thanks, brother. All good, bro. I'm just doing me, brother. Well, much appreciated, my bro. And the bits as well. I see them. Yeah, if you just want to go watch the fight, yeah, just go watch the fight. It's all good. Jacinda or Judith, I think the chat name will answer to that one. E kaiki no nei ahau. Watching the fight in Broxh. Chur Whanau. Table looks beautiful, first time watching, man. Ah, thanks brother, it's just the AEG clamp, my bro. Holy cow. Ready to pie, party on. Yo, thanks for the bits, brother. Wonder if the bro will have another mean entry. Oh man, this carving looking really good. Hey, cheers, slow cooker. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I just shaved this side down because it's looking a bit off. It's my fault though, but that's how you learn. I was wondering, is this your full-time job or is this just a hobby? Bro, it's just a passion, bro. Love and passion. Don't see it as a job, ever. And this is too good to be a hobby in my eyes. Much appreciated though, brother. Do you get people asking for your autograph? Nah, not at all. Photos, yeah, but no autograph. I feel like a photo means more than just words on a paper. Or letters, I would say. Holy damn. Raider Pie, the Green Man, and Quella. God damn, tier 1. Looking good, man. If you need some friends on Pokemon, go add me if you wanna. Oh, yeah, brother. I'm the Bush Maori. Ludo, Cat Raw. Hey, thank you guys for subs. Oh, for subbing. Damn, that's a lot in a short span. Ryan Jay-Z, thank you for your bits too, brother. Much appreciated. Just remember to look after your guys' selves first, eh? Sorry guys, I always gotta have the last say. The compliment tennis is strong. But what was I saying? Damn, I forgot. So here's my love, Turakira. How did you learn how to carve? I was introduced to me by my uncle, brother. And basically after I finished primary school, carried on carving, getting better ever so slowly, and here we are today. It's still going. Hey Valine, yo, thanks for the 6 months, bro. Damn, you've been around since day dot pretty much. Evander as well, thank you for the sub as well. And Diesel, damn, someone likes his Diesel. Thank you, brothers. Hello, follow by the way, and Bridu. Thank you. How are you guys? Hold on, Whanau, I'll just do this. How often do you sharpen your tools? Like once every 2-3 weeks, maybe? Or depends on what timber I'm working with too. Like, take this timber for instance, it's a softwood, so I wouldn't sharpen them that much. So I'll probably hit them with the stone next week maybe. If that makes sense, brother. Hit me on my logo. I can do it better, I know I can do it better. Element. Oh, man. You ever do stone carving? I've tried it, stone and bone, but this is where my heart is, brother. Twat Lord. Nah, but I don't finish these carvings with any sandpaper whatsoever, brother. But just push clean it, really. That's all you have to do. And it'll come out good, all clean. Like for these types of carvings, brother, we don't necessarily use any type of sandpaper. The only finish is a stain. Because then if you sand this bit here, then you have to do every other bit, every other clear part, and that's just time waste, if that makes sense. And our ancestors never really had sandpaper, so yeah, that is another avenue to look at it as well. Okay, the arguments sound like they've been resolved. Or sorted out, if you will. Is it the plank from last week? Yeah, bro. It most definitely is, my bro. How often do you get wood splinters? Never. Do you paint it when it's done, or leave it natural? You can. It's really personal preference, eh? So, I don't know, I've never painted a carving, so you never know, I might do one on stream. Be a first time for me, but yeah. Normally for myself, I just like to use linseed because it doesn't hide the natural design of the wood, which is the grain, if that makes sense. That's the original design of the tree. Was wood carving something you've always wanted to do? When I was little, like 5 to about 12, I actually wanted to try and be an artist for Blizzard. But then once I got introduced to this, it was pretty much all over from there. This is all I wanted to do. Threw that out the door, and because I always had a big love for my culture, and this has been a part of my people for a very long time. Very long time. Another hydrate. I love the natural look of the wood grain. Yeah, so do I, Phantom. Another hydrate. Might as well catch a Pokemon too. Okay. Let's see what's around. Yeah. Got a pincer and one of those little frog thingies. I don't really know much about the generation with Tepig and all them. I think that was the generation I didn't play. Surely that's a catch. There it is. I've almost finished my first Pokédex too. I just need a Mewtwo and a Mr. Mime. Really get to see the stream, so glad I get to watch. Oh, nice. Thumb power. Southern Africa, we don't die. Almost missed my resub. Hey, thanks for that, Ark. You didn't have to though. But much appreciated. Who makes your emotes? Thunder Punch. Oh, it's already been shouted out. Holy hell, there's a Snorlax in my house. Yeah, I caught one yesterday. And Lapras. I was like, oh, nice. Like cuts just so I don't go over too much. So I'm a little jealous because I've been nothing but human. Ah, yeah. Been getting told it's hot in other places. Just gotta weather the storm, man. First time in your stream, glad to be here. Hey, thanks, brother. If you don't mind me asking, how did you find the stream? Was watching a bit of wrestling yesterday too. See Roman Reigns is fighting his cousin. I was like, damn. And the Fiend and what's her name are going for a bit of the Joker and Harley Quinn kind of pairing. Hey, go to run. Oh, it's just in it. Oh, the lace goals. Gassy Irishman and Paradox. Thank you very much for subbing, guys. Really appreciate it. Just remember, look after yourselves too. Put yourselves first before subbing. Just for next time. Now, where are we? Here comes the Africa Giant. Sorry, Father, I just got to do little hits because the grain's a bit of an egg around this section here. Sorry, I'm blocking it too. Let me go and see where the speaker is. I don't want to listen to this damn bird all the time. Take my hand like you. Show me what is real. Take my hand. I don't know if you can see this, but this is what I'm working for JT. That's just one concept, kōrero. Then I'll do my one. So I'm just filling out the designs too. I know he's playing GTA now, so he would have missed it. Father, just gonna choose some music. Yeah, it's just something of, since we're gonna do JT first. Yeah, we'll pretty much go from there. Ooh, someone's cooking garlic. What are you talking about, Brayden? I don't know about you, but I've always been a fan of the old garlic. Always been a fan. Okay, let's look back just in case we missed people's subs. Okay. Pogus Champus, Broxh, I hit level 39 today. Monkeys. Happy birthday, brother Pog. Hey. Can we get some happy birthdays in the chat for the brother, please? Too much, my bro. And Jesse Omega, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Yo, nice, my bro. How's your birthday going? How's it going? Level 39, my bro. So I'm just gonna pull it back. You ever get into Skyrim? I'm cheesing for the new other scroll. Yeah, I used to. I didn't really play through too much times. Probably like once or twice. But I chose an OK. September birthdays are the best. That is definitely right. Gotta agree there. Pieces looking good. Thanks, brother. Yeah, had to do a bit here and there, but it's all good. So my cousin messaged me last night because he was watching the stream. He lives in Aussie, and he was saying, because he forgot it was my birthday, but he was saying I'll buy you a box of Champions Pass for your birthday even though it's gone. I was like, oh, only if you want to. I'd rather have Cole's cookies, to be honest. And he goes, no, I'll buy you a box of Champions Pass and just open them on stream. Looks good. Oh, cheers, JT. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a normal traditional one, and then I'll do my own style of a traditional korero. Brido, it's not my birthday bar. It's someone watching. Yeah, I seen Jiggy's latest one, but it was cool. So yeah, I don't know much about cards in them, but I know everyone's trying to get that, what is it? Rainbow Rare, Charizard, Gigantamax one, and the Shiny. That's pretty much all I know about it. That's all I know about it. Yeah. Just want to turn his work into stickers. You must be going hard on your fella's vinyl machine, eh? Should be a good thing. Yeah, definitely. I'll buy some. Thanks for providing children next to these hard times. Love your stream. All good, Fab. Much appreciated, brother, for these words. That was pretty much one of my main reasons. Just make a cool place for everyone to chill. With all the ridiculous stuff happening around the world. Still 8 PM on Saturday for me. How's the future treating you? The unknown survivor. Yeah, it's going pretty good, fella. So yeah, JT, so that's going to be one. I'll do my own personal one that I do. And you can choose out of the two. And so from there, once that's done, I'll do a full draw up again of the one you choose. But then I'll get that piece like printed out, so I can add that to the package too. And then once we start it, I'll take progression photos and put them into a little album, which will be part of it as well, of your piece. Yeah, his art's amazing. He's just humble, humari. He's a humari fella. That's that one done. Is New Zealand a cold place? Oh, just today it is. We've got a bit of cold winds with some rain, and then it'll be sunny, and then it'll be rainy again, and then it'll be windy again. 3 more fights to go. Chur, has Shane Young been on, brother? How did he do? I think he's the one I was more interested in watching. Shane won. Chur, can't play. In Scotland, I must go to sleep for work tomorrow. Have a good stream. All good, brother. You have a good sleep, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Rest well, my brother. What is this ad? Need to be Kingdom Hearts. Chur Whanau, have a good sleep too, brother. How's the carving going, my brother? Yeah, this going all good, bro. Wanna try and get on to carving this tongue today. Or getting it ready, I should say. It's pretty much this section here that needs to be done. Now this is where the tricky part of the grain is. Just cayenne is it to go, Chur. The music is bringing back memories. Kingdom Hearts 1, 1.5. Kingdom Hearts 2, 2.5.8. Chur Garfunkel. Cheers, it's your birthday today as well, brother. Hey, happy birthday, brother. 2 birthdays today in the chat. Nice. Wood, man. It's been a little bit crap. Just try and get it as good as I can and leave it there. Don't touch it. Was putting kid to bed. Oh, good, bro. So, what I'm gonna do, bro, once I do the two masks up, you can choose which one out of the korurus, or you can like take, if you like the shape of one, but you want to take this certain piece out, you can. But once you choose, bro, I'm gonna add that, and we're gonna print out like what the mask will look like on a paper. Add that to your package, and then I'll start taking photos of the progress when we carve it, and make a bit of a photo album for it, brother, and add that with the mask as well. And don't worry about saying, no, it's all good. Just it's all good. Just something I want to do. I'll probably do that with all commission pieces I do. But if you say, Chur meat, we're on. I'm from Singapore too, bro. Oh, I'm not from Singapore, brother. Hey, Chur, imagine. Hope you're good, bro. I'm guessing you're watching the fight too, brother. Looking forward to State of Origin, man. It's the one time I don't like my family. I'm having EOA exams for secondary school, man. Oh, true, bro. Jump off the stream and study, brother. So you're well prepared. Kia ora, Devious. The effort put into these to work. It looks beautiful. Thank you, Bola. Much appreciated, my bro. Salty Astronaut, thank you very much for subbing as well, my dude. Much appreciated. Didn't have to. Who do you support instead of who? Queensland, bro. Majority of my family are Teats, South Wales. It's the only time I don't like them. But it's all just for a laugh. Our banter. Hold on, fine note, just fixing this up. Then we can move on to the tongue. Posture check. The best state, bro. Yeah, see, Balloon knows. He knows. Get up the cane toads. Posture check. I'm probably gonna have a drink too. Much love from across the pond, bro. Hope you're having a good one. Cheer, Rixie. Cheer, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Hope you're having a good one too. Yeah. It's always a bit too deep for my life. That Kingdom Hearts music. Thank you, Ziff, for the bits, brother. Didn't have to. But like Broxh, Izzy or Costa. Izzy. Like easy decision. He's from here. I mean, he's from Nigeria originally, but he lives here too. So shout out to Nigeria and him for representing Aotearoa. And we went to the same high school as well, Rotorua Boys High School. Back in his crump days. Oh, we got a raid. Nipneo. Yo, thanks for the raid, brother. Yo, welcome to everyone from your stream as well, bro. Kia ora everyone, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. What am I doing at the moment? Posture check. But I'll show you what I'm up to. It's a Sunday here, having a bit of a Sunday carve. So this is what I'm up to here. So just to let you all know, I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and this particular art form has been part of our people since the beginning, really. And this isn't a hobby or a job to me, it's more of a passion that I have, and a love that I have for my culture and my people as well. Shame 95 Naruto. Thank you very much for Shaman. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Notifications galore. Oh, true, brother. Just let's go. I'm all grown up. Thank you, brother, just for the sub. Yep, you had to sub to me because you had to. No. Nah, how you, my bro? Bro, that treasure hunt was pretty cool. And watching those two families that went down that, or the one that shared the prize, that was even cooler to see too. Did you enjoy that, my bro? Be aware the pun lord is here. Garfunkel. Now, why are you subbing on your birthday, brother? Much appreciated, my bro. You didn't have to, brother. Yeah. Gotta give when we can, my brother. Yeah, thank you, Shaman. Much appreciated, my brother. Yeah, bro, it felt cool. Yeah, it looked pretty fun too. First time he said you have to sub, do you feel special? Evening, morning. Hello, who is Ned? Thank you very much for the corgis, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. What am I doing now? So these are pretty much all ready and cut. It's like it's my birthday. I'm just saying that to the bro, just here. It's the bro. Okay. I'm gonna do some more of those treasure hunts, eh? Yeah. Seems pretty cool, eh? Bro, these are sneaker shop opening up here too. I'll send you the link. I had a suspicion that there was, because my uncle was doing some like airbrushing for their store. I should take those Mario ones in there. And have you seen these before? Oh, Kumara. Okay, just checking these out. Holy cow. Fozzinator. Fozzinator? Holy cow. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Shit, that's 5 too many, my dude, but much appreciated. I don't know what I did, brother, but thank you. You didn't have to, though. Endless Liens, thank you very much to you as well for subbing, much appreciated. And yeah, just remember, if you're gonna sub again, look after yourself first. Oh, and then here's King No Ears. 2 silver. It's been an amazing 3 months as a sub. Still waiting on the donation button though. Oh, keep waiting, Silver. Keep waiting. Can we get an exclamation mark donation in the chat? I did the command this time. Really happy with the sub bear, gee. Is it dot? What's the command again? We actually forgot what the command was. Whoops, my bad. Nah, so I changed it and all it said was the Maori word for donation is koha. See what happens when I try and do a command, I break it. Oh, there it is, donate. Oh, you always driving and twitching, eh? You dangerous fella. All good, bro. Why you gotta be danger? The birds looks dope. Yeah, shout out to Thunder Punch for that. Did I do a good command? Hey, Chur Bulldogs. Kia ora, brother. Wee, how you been, bro? Hello, Supernova. Cheer, bro. Maururu, kaore koe pai. Oh, I don't know these new Maori words, brother. Most of my reo comes from the marae, brother. I know koropous are quite up there with this new lingo as well. You did a good command. When I done it, I was like, "Eesh, I feel like the man." How's the weather today? Getting like 2 different seasons in one day, brother. Mauhi means thank you. Oh. Mauhi. So I'll just do these butts and then we'll draw up this arero, this tongue. And yeah, we'll see where we are from there. I'm thinking of going across. It might be a bit silly too, but you know. Go across the green. Might be a bit silly. Bro, do you play Among Us? Nah, brother, I don't. Jammed it a few days ago with some other streamers, funny as cuz. True. Yeah, I've been watching a bit of it, eh? See who's the biggest rukahu, really. Katos, thank you very much for the sub, bro. Did an FT, my bro, much appreciated. You still at that DNA place, bro? What's a typical New Zealand breakfast? Baked beans, spaghetti, sausages, eggs, toast. Yeah. Or day after boil up. 2-day boil up's usually the nicest though. Yeah, hard. Who can talk? Just working on native. True, bro. Still mixing with DNA. True, me, brother. Too much. I haven't been there in a while. I remember when they used to have overnighters there. when Levi was there. Spaghetti for breakfast. Oh, mate. You forgot the rest. A lot of Kiwi homies fighting today. Yeah, good to see you. Didn't think I'd ever... Much people didn't think they'd see something like that in the UFC, which is cool to see. See Shane Young rocking the Tino Rangatiratanga flag. I don't know if he was using it today, because, yeah, I'm outside. Much love, what's poppin', Monica. Thank you very much. Much love to you too. I love breakfast fast food there. I still want to go and check their place out the bro was talking about, eh? I mean, I don't get gout, but I'm sure my Wawa will handle. Wanna tell you what you can do, my love. Alright. Let you know, girl, you looking good, you're out of sight. Those were the fun days, making grinds, yeah, hard up. Fuck. I remember when I seen that shutdown, I was doing the hey, since when? Gee whiz, G. Cheer if we ever read, kia ora, bro. Yeah, today's all good. Bit of a Sunday carving sesh. Got a bit of Pokemon as well. Hope you're well, brother. Yeah, bro, she's reopened up at a new shop now. We're gonna take all the bros there. Oh, just tell me when. Surely I'll be there first, because I'm the closest. Hey, Nick Minute, last one there. Got my $2 ready for the toll road. What keyboard do you use? Oh, I actually don't even know what it's called, eh? It's let me get back to you. I'll go and read the box. I still got it. Just taking the rubber shop, but it's a Logitech G915, if that makes any sense. Kels, thank you very much for the sub as well. I saw that. Much appreciated. You did have to. I think I read it properly. True forever read. Yeah, Gold Star's pretty good, eh? But there's these new up and comings that are getting quite good. Morning, the Juan guy. Oh, I don't even know him much. shout out to Underflow Media. She was the one that provided me with a keyboard. It was through the Bro Panda. I wanna tell you what you can do. Ah, now where's this bloody rubber again? Cheers, Supreme. Big fan. Ah, thanks, brother. As long as you like it, bro, that's what matters to me. Sorry, fine, I'm just gonna scrape this off. Can't be bothered going. Wait, I think I do know where the rubber is. One. Oh, yeah, sorry, brother. I keep forgetting, like Big Miho and all that. It's one guy. Yeah, my bad, brother. My bad. All good. Thank you for correcting me, my bro. How's the new pregnancy? Ah, yeah, she's all good, eh? Growing. November, not too long to go now. Looks like a windy day. Yep, wind, rain, sun. Kia ora from Rotorua. Hey, kia ora from Rotorua, bro. Oh, good, brother. I should have figured, though. You gonna watch UFC? Nah, probably not, brother. I'm going for Izzy anyway, just, you know, he's from here. Went to school here in Rotorua as well. He's silly not to, brother. Hey, doctor. Hey, man. How are you, brother? Bro, how was the rest of Jay's stream last night? Were you still in when I went to bed? Aloha from the Hawaiian Islands, my brother. Hey, mahalo for the love, brother. Aloha. Ho Hawaiian. Ngā mihi, my cousin. Start doing this tongue up, eh? Yo, Monks, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, my bro, but thank you very much. I woke up for work and he was still streaming 20 hours in. I think, god damn. And he was painting for that long, eh? That's a long time. Actually, I might bevel this tongue first, eh? Don't want to break the edge. What does Pokemon Go? Pardon me. Oh, I usually like randomly just turn Pokemon Go on and get some Pokemon. There's like no subliminal message behind it, just yeah, Pokemon Go. Okay, let's bevel this. Ooh. I need a smaller chisel. Love your stuff, bro. Thanks, brother Broxh. Much appreciated, my bro. Glad you like it, brother. That's pretty much the main thing for me, as long as people like it. If people don't, then oh well, there's Pokemon. Go watch Pokemon. Have you done any tattoos, Kong? Nah. So carvers can pretty much transition into tattooing, but for myself, nah, I don't want to. That's not really a realm that I want to do. I remember when I first started, some dude comes in and, bro, Twitch is for gaming, not this. I went, well, go and watch it. Or go to Mixer, one of the two. It's up to you. Cheers, Sky. You have a good one, brother. And Tasty Nova, you have a good one too, my brother. At a bonfire and he found a Charmander in the fire. Yo, that's cool. Some people just love to be a bad egg, pretty much, brother. The kick, what's the kick they get out of it? I do not know. I'd like to ask one of them though. Like, what do you get out of it, bro? Do you bust a nut when you, like, think you're funny? Or, like, tell the chat to get screwed or whatever? Yeah. Absolutely great content. Cheers, brother, forever. Yeah. See, look, it's starting to rain now, so, yep. Our second season, so the next one should be sun. I'm not a Twitch god, bro. The Twitch gods are the ones that can ban you. The ones with the spinners next to their names. I've never played Pokemon Go. Can you catch a legendary Pokemon Mew? I've caught one, but I don't know if you can catch another. Unless you trade it, maybe? Baby's come. How do you sharpen your tools? I usually use a whetstone, brother. Timmy God, oh, stop fueling it, Maya. Bloody egg. Ibrahim Wallet. Yo, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, welcome. Much appreciated, my bro. Just remember, when your resub comes up, remember to look after yourself too. Now I know there's a podcast of Mito when he talks about his life and all that. I think I want to go watch it. Is that a Huffslow Beyonce emote? At Zenith, thank you very much for gifting a sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to though. New emotes, yeah, so the bro Captain Squizzle made them for me. I was like, bro, these are pretty cool. It's in the WoW font. Can I buy some of your wood carvings? Oh, you should have said hello first, brother. Hummus, Hummies, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Chur Whanau. I didn't want love, baby, to take away. Fanta. Hello, Kansu. Hey, Breedest. Cheer, brother. I'm Brazilian. I saw a video about you. I'm already a fan. Yeah, welcome, Ellison. Is this who God sent? Enough with that, bro. No, it's not. No need to shout either. Spells on later. Man, wisdom teeth are the worst. Yeah, from what I've seen, brother. I'm just lucky I got to keep all 4 of mine. It's working well together. Hey Fanta, how long were you drinking with Donnie last night for? Big hug from Peru. Hey Canado, you have a good one, brother. 4 hours. Damn, it's Zenith. Love the stream, brother. Hey, thank you for the 2 months in a row, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Just remember next time, my bro, put yourself first. Left-handed gang, yeah, brother. My ancestor was left-handed too. And he ended up being one of the most badass warriors. Four hours is too short. Oh, they were drinking. And they weren't drinking mild stuff anyway. I think there's so much laughing Fanta can take. Alright bro, I'm out, but still love what you do. Keep safe, see you soon my bro. Cheer monks, thank you for the bits brother, much appreciated. Thank you brother, you have a good rest day. Jimmy, get up. Holy cow. Amuse with the 5 gifted subs. Holy shit, brother. Thank you. Much appreciated, bro. Holy cow. That's a lot, bro. Just make sure you look after yourself too. But thank you, brother. Donnie is a good fella. Yeah. Real full of life, eh? He's cool. Full of life and laughs and mercy. Love the work and community you've built here. Ah, thank you, Amuse. You're pretty much part of it now, so you can't leave. But thank you, brother. I just saw the picture next to your name's Lion King. Yeah, pretty much, brother. Do you have any tattoos? Yeah, on my leg, but TOS. It was too cold to be taking pants off. Don't think any of us would want to leave. Thank you, brother. I mean, I expect people to leave when they get hungry, though. You're starving. That's bad. Off you go. Ah, damn. Nice chill Sunday stream. Yeah. Let's make up for those days I wasn't on too. Just so I'm not leaving everyone in the lurch. I don't want you playing that way. Going back to school. Now I just gotta figure out how to whip my head around bloody daylight savings. Hey there, big fan. Yo, big bad Benjo. Thank you for the bits, brother. Bro, much appreciated, bro, that you love the stream. Thank you, brother. But you didn't have to. Wondering, Gurus? So the facial tattoos, brother. I'll give you a bit of a rundown. So, bro, in days of old, so those facial tattoos that you want to know about, there was our form of genealogy and like CVs as well. So like if our ancestor came across another one and seen his facial markings, he'd know where he was from. Now the first tattooist of our people, his name is Uetonga, and who is the father of Niwareka, who is the god of flax weaving, or the goddess, sorry, correction. But his son-in-law Mataora was the first recipient to receive the full facial markings. And so what these tattoos represent, brother, is like your mother and your father's genealogy, what you went through throughout your life. So from the eyelids down, bro, right down to your legs, is like tied to the physical realm. So all your physical attributes, be it or achievements, be it a gardener or whatever you do within the physical realm, it would be embedded into your skin from the eyelids down to your legs. And so from there, brother, the eyelids up, it was more for the spiritual side. So if you could pass down genealogy, navigate with the stars. What else was there? Do prayer or karakia as we call it. You would receive markings above the eyes and on your forehead. But yeah, it was all like based around things you did within your life. So you usually started at the age of 13 when you become a teenager or a young adult. Well, that's the idea when people turn that age. But yeah. So they would receive markings starting on the nose. Tyrant Potato, thank you very much. Tyrant Potato, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Didn't have to though, my bro, but thank you. So as I was saying before, from the eyelids down is a representation of all your physical attributes. So if you could, obviously a farmer, a gardener, carver like myself, anything you did within the physical realm really. So for the left hand side of our face is for our mother's genealogy. The reason why is because the left hand side of the face is closest to the heart. Defaults mom's Twitch Prime. Oh damn. This guy is he subbing again and again? What the hell? Alright then. Thank you very much, bro. But I hope you're not using your mother's card. Otherwise, you're gonna get the biggest growling, bro. But thank you, brother. Yeah, very odd. Skynet, sorry. As I was saying before, like the methods we used or the tools we used for these tattoos, brother, were called uhi, which were bone chisels. Preferred bones we like to use were from like birds. One of the most preferred birds was obviously the albatross. Nice bones that can't break because they're dense within the wing, because they're the largest wingspan. Those bones are going to last quite a bit. Lots of friends have Amazon Prime. I'm happy to give me their accounts. Oh, okay, brother. As long as you're okay with doing that, thank you, bro. Jeez, you have cool friends. I wanted to get them to support you. Oh, thank you, brother. You didn't have to though, but much appreciated, brother. You and your friends. I just don't want you to get in trouble, that's all. It's night time over here. Must be bedtime soon, eh, bro? I've always wondered about them. Oh, I'm still not finished, bro. So, yeah, those tools, bro. The uhi, yeah, the main particular bone we like to use was from an albatross, brother. Separated into 3 different sizes. So, the much smaller, the much larger uhi was used to etch like a blueprint line within the skin. So unlike our Polynesian brothers and sisters, we didn't apply anything within the skin. They carved it out. Tickle HD. Chur high definition tickle. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. So as I was saying before, yeah, our ancestors carved into the skin. Many of our ancestors died receiving the markings as well, but in our culture it was more of an honour to have them than to have none at all, because it, yeah, as I said before, it tells the story of what you went through throughout your life. And so moving on from there, so how the males have the full facial tattoos and the women have a smaller compact chin tattoo. Now it doesn't mean that the men's facial tattoo was greater than the woman's. The reason why the women do not get a full facial tattoo is because they go through enough pain already bringing life into the world, so which we call a whare tangata, the house of man. And so obviously, with that being said, why should they go through more pain when they go through enough already bringing life into the world? So that's why it was all compacted down to the chin area. Has the same meaning as the males, just yeah, much more smaller and compact. Hey man, remember, stay hydrated and have a great day. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I know, my bro. Much appreciated, my brother. Yeah, so that's one of the main reasons why women don't get the entire face carved, is because, yeah, they're the bearers of the next generation. They're the ones that carry on the tribe. It's not the man that carries on the tribe, it's the woman. That's why they are the most sacred people within the tribes, because without them, you will have no tribe at all. Hold on, Whanau, just looking over this tongue, it needs a bit more linseed. Where do you ship all your carvings to? So these are commissions. I don't keep any of my carvings, bro. Well, I've only got one, but yeah, even that's about to go. Giving it to Auntie. The hard thing is trying to convince her just to take it without paying for it. Just because I admire her, how she is as a person, that mana wahine as well. Broxh, have you ever played PS1? Oh, bro. I was born in the 90s, brother. Of course I have. I had a Sega Mega Drive before that, though. That's boss that I came to visit your place. Yeah, it was a cool opportunity to meet her. She's cool. They don't talk about politics or anything, we just talk, really. Couldn't say no to her asking for a hair flick, so I had to do it. It was cool. This one is for Jacinda. Nah. The one I've shown on stream before, it's inside. I'm gonna give her the first Poupou I've ever done. The one I've kept with me for a few years. Minecraft or Fortnite? Probably Minecraft. Ooh. But us 90s kids are going to be 30 soon. Oh, you act like that's a bad thing. Nothing wrong with being 30, bro. That's me next year. I'm looking forward to it. Yummy Port, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Just remember, if you're going to sub again, look after yourself first. If you're, feeling, finding it hard. Can I ask what will you be voting for in the cannabis referendum? Oh, I don't really care. Something I have never really cared about. Did you just use linseed or did... Yeah, just to loosen up the grain, brother. Hey, Nutsel. Hey, man. Hehe. Much love from Auckland. Have fun, stay safe. Chur Whanau. You stay safe too, brother, up there. I know we're at level 2 now and we're all at level 1, but yeah, stay safe, brother. Hold on, Fido, I'm just doing this. Do you have a tamoko? Yeah, on my leg. Will I show it? Probably not. For this wood next week, and this timber I need for a project I'm doing off stream. How would someone get into wood carving? Like, what are the basics in that? Oh, it depends what type of wood carving you want to do, bro. Chur Whanau, you have a good one, brother. Thank you for dropping in. Or just hammer and chisel sounds, so I wouldn't have a clue, brother. Hold on, follow. We stream when Shadowlands probably comes out. I'm not sure, brother. Still got to get fibre installed first. Moonshine Poppy. Hey, chew, brother. Much love, brother. Hey, much appreciated for the resub, my bro. How you been, brother? Thank you for the sub, man. You didn't have to, but you know. Cold well. Thank you very much for the sub as well, my bro. You didn't have to. Can you go somewhere else? Thank you. Bloody birds. How do you pronounce the style of carving you do? Whakairo. It's in our native language. So this isn't just any type of normal wood carving. This has pretty much been a part of our culture for a long time. This is pretty much the way that our legends and myths and all that were passed down through one of the many methods we have. This art form comes from our god of the sea. Cheers, Jamal. You have a good one, brother. Oh, thank you, River. Fat Mab. Yo, thanks for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Just so know, bro, next time you have a sub or like money, just remember to use it on you first instead of subbing to me. Just, you know, with what's going on in the world, it's best to just look after yourself first, brother. Well, much appreciated, my boy. And Clutch Ease and Moonshine Bloody Puppy gifting a sub. Thank you, Father. You don't have to though, just remember that. Look after yourselves first. Oh, and Nate is here. How's your week going? Sure, Nate. Yeah, my week's been all good, brother. Pretty chill, but had to do some stuff like IRL, but yeah, good nonetheless. Thank you very much for subbing, brother. You didn't have to though. Well, much appreciated, my dude. Someone's blasting their music on the car. from the USA watcher. Yo, much appreciated, Fat Bro. Damn, brother, thank you.
Feeling hungry? Well played, New Zealand. You dug deep and helped the Donate Your Kit program.
We've received an overwhelming number of donations. Your turn around.